Today we're going to be talking about the application, the app M1 Finance. M1 Finance. So today we're going to be talking about this investing app and what this application is about, what you can do with this app, what this investing app offers, what makes this app good, bad, compared to other apps. I'm mostly going to be comparing this to Robinhood and Webull, since I've already went over those on my channel. You could check those out. You could check out my Webull video, and you could check out my Robinhood video. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started on talking about M1 Finance. So M1 Finance, they're coming out with something called see right here, you could see it says introducing M1 Spend, and you can see it says coming soon, swipe for details. And essentially this makes your investing account act like a checking account, all in one place. The all digital bank account and debit card that integrates seamlessly with your profile. Now, me personally, I'm probably not going to be using this feature, and most likely I'm not going to be using this feature. And the reason I'm not going to be using this feature is because I could be using a cashback credit card that offers 5% interest, or 5% back, or something like that. 5% cash back from credit card, and that's way better than taking money from your investing portfolio. You never really want to take money out of your investing portfolio unless you're trying to live off of it. But when you're starting out and you're trying to build wealth, I recommend not depending on it for any of your money. You just want to keep on compounding and keep on adding into it until you're wealthy. But until you're wealthy, you need to just keep on adding into your investments, good investments, solid investments. So this debit card, the debit card with rewards, earn 1.5% APY and 1% cash back on all purchases when you upgrade to M1 Plus. So they're also offering M1 Plus, which is like the premium account for M1. M1 is free, by the way. I don't know why I didn't mention that. M1 Finance, this application is free. All the trades are free. Everything is free. Of course, you got to pay for the stocks yourself, but there's no commission, there's no fees, there's no nothing like that. And